Hi guys, I got my kid's card early education device, with faulty power switch. It's a sliding switch, and it's not working properly. It's a kind of loose contact. I think battery is empty. Let me try charging.
Hello, nice to meet you. Let's see now.
See, it will turn on if given some pressure, but my kid cannot use it, so let's open it up.
There is no card. Please insert it.
There are 6 screws holding back cover. We can remove them now. This is the card sensing switch. On inserting the card, this micro switch is activated as seen.
Gorilla.
Also, let's play around by covering up some of the sensors to fool the device to respond.
Gorilla. Umbrella. Pizza.
Now let's remove these screws to access the PCB. Here we can see the main board, speaker, and the battery, which looks like an electrolytic capacitor. This is the masking plate to isolate different sensors. This is the power switch. Let's clean it with some electrical contact cleaning spray. Let's see the battery closely. This is the main board assembly. Here Chinese have put in a real chip instead of COB. Let's see the chip number.
Hello, nice to meet you. Let's clean now.
Now the switch is cleaned and ready to be assembled. Let's test it first.
Moon. Dress. Green. Green. There is no card. Please. Crocodile.
Oh, forgot to put in the sensor mask.
Rabbit. Owl. Chair. Soap.
Now it's working fine.
Cake. Dumpling. Pear. Apple.
This is the card read repeat switch. This is the volume control switch. I just found this function. It plays ABCD song when this switch is long pressed. And don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please hit like button or dislike button, and please feel free to comment your suggestions and doubts. Thank you so much.